Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a review of the JBL 104BT desktop speakers. These caught our eye with their promise of big sound and versatile connectivity options. Let's see if they live up to the hype. Starting off with the design, the JBL 104BT speakers have a distinctive egg-shaped profile, available in both black and white finishes. They definitely stand out on your desk with their larger footprint, measuring at 9.7 by 6.0 by 4.9 inches. This size isn't just for show. It helps them deliver a bigger sound, which we'll get into shortly. Moving on to controls and connectivity, all the action happens on the right speaker. It features a 60W Class D amplifier, distributing power evenly to the speakers. On the front panel, you'll find a volume knob, input selector, headphone jack, and an auxiliary input. What's impressive is the range of inputs available on the back: RCA, TRS, and Bluetooth 5.0 for wireless connections. However, it's worth noting there's no USB-C port, which might be a miss for some users. Now, let's talk about what matters most: the sound quality. The JBL 104BT speakers shine with their wide soundstage and clear audio reproduction. Vocals come through prominently, and the trebles are crisp without being harsh. Whether you're listening to music or watching movies, these speakers deliver a balanced sound that fills the room. They can get impressively loud without distorting, hitting up to 98 decibels at max volume. On the downside, the bass is where these speakers fall a bit short. While they do have some bass presence, it's not as deep or punchy as you might expect, especially for genres like hip-hop or EDM. The lack of a subwoofer option means you can't enhance the low end either, which might be a deal breaker for bass enthusiasts. Wrapping up, are the JBL 104BT speakers worth it? If you prioritize clear vocals, wide sound dispersion, and versatile connectivity, these speakers make a solid choice for your desktop setup. They outperform many in their price range when it comes to overall sound quality, but keep in mind their larger size and limited bass output. That wraps up our review of the JBL 104BT desktop speakers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think about these speakers or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Product Critique.